Two witnesses testified before the Justice Letsi-Kuma-led tribunal at the resumed hearing of the petition filed by ADEMOLA and the All Progressives Congress (APC) against the declaration of ADEMOLA as the governor of the state following the July 16 governorship election. A forensic examiner, Samuel Oduton, testifying for the second respondent, ADELEKE, said overvoting occurred in 6 polling units during the election. Oduton, also a statistician, told the court that he was paid by ADELEKE to extract information through physical inspection of BVAS machines used for the election and compared it with the Form EC8 series, where he discovered that overvoting occurred in some polling units, particularly 6 units in Ede South. In Ward 4, Unit 7 of Ede South, the accreditation figure he mentioned in his witness statement was 313, while the accreditation on the BVAS report was 383, which showed overvoting. Following the argument of the petitioner's lead counsel, Akin Olujimi, SAN, that there was no law preventing him from cross-examining the witness, lead counsel for the second respondent, Adeleke Onyachi Piazzo, SAN, objected the comparison on the BVAS report and the result, which was overruled by the tribunal thereafter. The witness similarly testified that for Ward 4, Unit 8 of Ede South Local Government, the accreditation figure on the witness statement was 830, while the accreditation figure on BVAS report presented by INEC was 793, showing the overvoting of 37. Admitting not to be an INEC official on the said election day, Oduton, being an expert, emphasized that an analysis was carried out by him based on physical inspection of the BVAS machines. Prior to calling the second witness, lead counsel to the second defendant, Onyachi Piazzo, SAN, tendered Adeleke's certificate and credentials, as well as signed copy of the judgment of the Court of Appeal as exhibit. Another witness, Reverend Bomi Jenyo, who identified himself to be a personal assistant to Governor Adeleke, also testified that Adeleke obtained his diploma certificate in Ben Foster High School on 16th July 2021 and graduated from Atlanta Metropolitan College on 9th of August 2021, where he obtained his first degree. Although Jenyo claimed to be the custodian of Adeleke's personal documents, being part of his responsibilities, he affirmed that he was never a staff in any of the institutions purported to have been attended by the governor. Jenyo said he attended Adeleke's graduation ceremony in the US, though his international passport did not suggest his attendance, having tendered it before the tribunal, and neither was Adegboyega Oyetola an attendee. Subsequent to the cross-examination of the two witnesses by the lead counsel for Oyetola and the APC, Akin Olujimi, SAN, Adeleke's counsel, Onyachi Piazzo, SAN, closed his case without calling any witness, but rather relying on the evidence of the two other defendants. Lead counsel for the PDP, Dr. Alex Izion, SAN, opened his case. After tendering some documents, he closed the case. The tribunal then adjourned to Friday, January 13, 2023, for the parties in the matter to adopt their final written addresses. The defendants, INEC, Ademola, Adeleke, and the PDP, were to file their written addresses within 9 days, just as the plaintiffs, Adegboyega Oyetola, and the APC, were to file theirs within 7 days, while respondents would file their response on point of law within 3 days. In Osogbo, Joshua Ogujide, NT News.